Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on anything on scaling your business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So, as I like to say, I really believe that building a six-figure business, scaling a business is very, very important. And there's a lot of ways you can do that. One of my favorite is definitely using government contracts. And in today's lesson, I'm going to talk about when someone is looking to win a contract, how it's going to change in 2025 and moving forward. You ready? Let's go. So one of the things is you can still make six figures and beyond utilizing government contracts. The big difference is going to be how government contracts are going to be awarded. So GSA, General Service Administration, has a lot to do with the procurement side of government. And one of the things that is changing throughout everywhere is AI. And AI is definitely going to be implemented in all the changes that are going on now. Right now, a lot of the times, you build a relationship with the buyer, the contracting officer, the buyer. Definitely about, more about building relationships. But now there is going to be a lot of just data analysis when it comes to reading the documents like your capability statement or looking at what the contract scope of work is going to, look at what it's looking for. And then there's going to be certain things that you're going to have within your branding and marketing to the government, like when it comes to your capability statement, which if you look into my other videos, I talked about how to update your capability statement moving forward in 2025. It's going to be so important because it's not going to be so many people as are going to be automation. Automation is here to stay. And so if you're looking at really doing well, you're going to have to get familiar and comfortable with automation. And one of the things that's going to be used is for determining who wins contracts. And that's going to be by putting in and feeding certain data to what the requirements are for that contract. So instead of that person looking over it and then maybe having a board of people decide, it's going to move towards automation that's going to review it, look for certain keywords in when they ask you to to submit your proposals or submit your capability statement, whatever it is that you're submitting, there are going to be keywords that are picked out that are inputted into that program that's going to pick out certain things you have. So it's going to be really important that you use your words when it comes to making sure that you're selected for the proposals. Now, like I said, I love, love, love teaching ways that you can scale your businesses to six figure and beyond. So if you'd like to know more, then make sure you subscribe, share, like, and I look forward to you joining me for my Crack the Gov Code Masterclass, where I'm going to talk about all the things you can do to get to six figures and beyond in government contracts for this particular free masterclass. Brand new, and there's going to be so many contracts that can be won, believe it or not, when it comes to mission essential and when it comes to disaster recovery contracts, two of my favorite. And one of my other favorite is selling products, doing products as far as on the DLA, Defense Logistics Agency platform. So if you'd like to know more and you want the eye level instead of the high level, then make sure you join me. Click the link in the description, and I'll look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be March 18th, 19th through the 20th, and I only need you for one day. Just one of those days that you can learn so much in such a little amount of time. Hope to see you there soon, and until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.